Hello children and welcome to today's class. We are going to learn about force, work and energy. हमें एक चीज़ मालूम है कि बिना अपनी जगह से उठे हम सारे काम नहीं कर सकते. Even if you want to pick up a pencil from the table that we are sitting at, we have to move our hand and pull that pencil towards us. So everything that we do all day long requires some amount of force, and when we apply force we are able to do some amount of work. जैसे हमने पेंसिल उठाई तो हमने वर्क किया. इसी तरह से हर काम को करने के लिए, हर एफर्ट के लिए you need energy. So children, you see how the three concepts of force, work and energy are interlinked with each other. So whether it is pulling something towards you, pushing something away from you, or trying to stop a moving object, trying to move a stationary object, everything around us requires force. So here we are going to learn more about force through this short video. We do several activities during the day. We push a door, we pull a chair. Pushing of the door and pulling of the chair is called force. Push or pull is known as force. Force can be used to move a stationary object. It can be used to stop a stationary object. It can be used to change the position of an object. We can also use force to slow down or speed up an object. Force is also used to change the shape of an object. Here, whether you are moving a stationary object, you are stopping a moving object, you are trying to make an object move faster, you are slowing down a moving object, you are changing the direction of a moving object, or you are changing the shape and size of an object. Every activity requires force. So force can do so many different activities. Now we have seen in these examples that we used our own body to do certain activities. But in case of a moving bicycle or in case of an apple falling down from a tree, a different kind of force comes in play. Let us learn about the different kinds of forces that come into play around us through this video. Force is of different types. Let us learn about a few of them. Muscular force is the force applied by using the muscles. This can be in bicycling, swimming, or in case of running. Frictional force is the force that stops a moving object. It is a force that opposes motion. Friction force is more on a rough surface. That is why when you roll a ball on a rough surface and a smooth surface together, the ball on the rough surface will stop sooner than the ball on the smooth surface because friction is more on the rough surface. Gravitational force is the force that pulls all objects towards the earth. A ball thrown up in the sky always comes down. Fruits always fall down from the tree. This is the action of gravitation. So children, let us sum up the different types of forces. The different types of forces are mechanical force, muscular force, gravitation force and frictional force. Also, there is another force which is known as magnetic force. कुछ चीज़ें जैसे ऑल पिन्स, पेपर क्लिप्स etc. ये आयरन मैग्नेट से अट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं. When you bring a magnet close to these things, it attracts them. This is magnetic force. Also, there is elastic force. Elastic force का मतलब है when we stretch a rubber band or a spring, its length increases. But once you leave that force, it comes back to its original position. This is elastic force. Then comes buoyant force. हमने सीखा है कि gravitation is a force that pulls down an object. Buoyant force is a force that actually provides an upward force to a floating object. इसी force की वजह से पानी के अंदर ships जैसी बड़ी चीजें float कर पाती हैं. Now what is work? As we all know that whenever you apply any kind of force or use any kind of force, some or the other work is done. जब आप दौड़ते हैं तो आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे travel करते हैं. That is work done. When you are pushing an object, तो आप उस object को A से B point तक हिलाते हैं. That is also force. But when you push a wall and the wall does not move, then no work is done. So what is work? Work is said to be done only when force is applied on an object and it moves. Coming next to energy and its type. Energy क्या होती है? Energy is the ability to do work. बिना energy के आप उठकर एक book भी नहीं खोल पाते. This is a case when you are feeling sick or you have fever. You actually have no energy to do work. Energy can be of various types. पहला एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं हीट एनर्जी का. हमें सन से मिलती है हीट एनर्जी. सन इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी फॉर एवरीथिंग ऑन अर्थ. एंड fuels like wood, coal, etc. they are also burnt to give heat energy. सन से हमें एक और फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी भी मिलती है which is light energy. We have understood in the chapter of lights and shadows that we need light to see everything. We also know that there are some objects like the sun, bulb, lanterns and candles which have light of their own. There are other objects which do not have light of their own. Then comes electrical energy. The moment you switch on a switch in your room, you can get into play a fan, an AC, a mobile charger or any electrical device. This is because electrical energy flows through the wires of the house, running everything from a washing machine, a mixer grinder to your television and air conditioners. काइनेटिक एनर्जी. काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या होती है? एक मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर जो एनर्जी होती है उसे काइनेटिक एनर्जी बोलते हैं. और जिस ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर कोई मूवमेंट नहीं है उसके अंदर की एनर्जी को पोटेंशियल एनर्जी बोलते हैं. इसका मतलब अगर एक ट्रक खड़ा है तो उसके अंदर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है और जब वो ट्रक मूव करना शुरू हो जाएगा तो उसके अंदर काइनेटिक एनर्जी आ जाएगी. मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. मैकेनिकल एनर्जी इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ मैकेनिकल एंड पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. अ सीलिंग फैन इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. फैन के ही प्रिंसिपल पे काम करने वाला एक और डिवाइस है. वी कॉल इट अ विंड मिल. A windmill moves according to the speed of wind in an area. It is used to grind corn and other grains. It is also used to produce energy in areas जहाँ बहुत तेज wind होती है. Wind energy is a natural source of energy just like solar energy. Solar energy is the energy that we get from the sun. This energy can be used for solar cells, solar geysers, solar cookers and so many other things. Wind energy and solar energy are purest forms of energy. They do not cause any pollution. Now another noteworthy point here is that energy can change from one form to another. इसका मतलब है जब हम एक हीटर को ऑन करते हैं जिसके अंदर हीटिंग रॉड्स होती हैं तो हीट एनर्जी इज चेंज्ड इनटू लाइट एनर्जी व्हेन द रॉड्स बिकम रेड. सिमिलरली व्हेन वी बर्न अ फ्यूल we get both heat and light energy. So we understand that energy is converted from one form to another. So children, In this chapter, you have learned what force is. You have learned what are the different types of forces. You have also learned कि work done किसको बोलते हैं और किसको work done नहीं बोलते हैं. You have learned about the various forms of energy and the fact that energy changes from one form to another. Now it is your turn to read the chapter once again. Thank you.